As I see the title, Who is the Father? Big things are going on the one, man. You understand? Yeah, man. So if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe for further uploads. You understand? A whole heap of things are going on, man. You understand? So just go and do the right thing with they put in work. Same way. We hope you enjoy it to the fullest. You understand? Feel free to leave a comment. You know? Right, that's all. Blessings. Peace. We out.
So baby I just a cast me. See it? Big food. Can't take it. Big drinks. So food that not agree with me, not suit me at all. I look through the baby appetite, you know. One want to mine. She me have to buy big food, big drinks. So baby appetite too him nerves too big. A 3 man name a cop on this baby, you know. Me have a strong feeling, say. I feel Nick, you know. But him going like him have too much galleys. Me have a stronger feelings. See if he Chappy. Chappy have liquor money. But he owes too liquor. Me have a stronger Cersei feeling. See if he tax. But tax broke. He can't stop a stale bread cat. No I try them no make one. But just gonna take a little till it work out. You have to money. Come on, let go none. Well, I'll call Shayna. I'm here one do. No matter his struggles. Answer, girl. Then can go and let them know when people are big. Hello. Wow.
You know, some of they are going easy.
Well, go. Pop to give me no lie.
You can't cut me out.
Come you tell me you are going. I know some sit down pan people business more than me sit down pan chair.
Then that time why you release up something give me.
No, but I just want to look a favor me a call for beg you.
Hold on, from it, see my phone ring. We know I beg you to beg. Me go and delete your name, you know. Alright, beg for your name in my phone.
You know, but granny say better people say beg you, they're thief.
Anyway, why you beg? So you know me always willing to.
Why have to curl up my ear again for me? Come I go somewhere I don't want to look shabby.
Me did about to take down the light, you know, for long. But anyhow, when you want me to do
Somebody like are you a bridge light?
and when you want me to do it, you just in on the business, so.
Why have to do it tomorrow? I'll link you tomorrow.
Me did plan to go somewhere, but look here, you better come.
No, just put off it for me, you know.
Yes, because I usually go and put it off. So you come early tomorrow before my mind change.
Alright then, alright. Thanks.
Wait.
Yes. You know, so make it, me I gotta make it in a life. Me make something happen for you too.
But you hurry up and make it, me love.
Alright, Craig, alright.
Alright, later.
Thank you very much. I'll not do it yet.
Wait a big something.
Yeah, me hang up yet, you know, you still attack. I'm hear what you say.
I never you me talk, because somebody crossing.
Yeah, right. Alright. Finna go for use for no shit pan you, you know. Just chew me a beg. She lucky. Still a take it. You just want to know so me I get you. So you come out to curl them? You come back to curl them?
Me nah come out to curl them. You remind me of some girl where then come for beggar hairstyle and then just a chat off their mouth so I not talk about no come out curl like say them a pay for curl.
Of course me pay for it.
So tell me something, how we are breed for?
That's not your business.
What you mean?
Anytime woman pregnant, some people always want to know who them pregnant for. When baby a born, how much a belly be. Too enough.
My girl, actually, me know nowadays you don't really like the one man business, you know, so that's why I ask.
Even if you not one man, you still know who do it, just a hustle.
Just tell me which one of them, man. I want them for Chappy.
I know him.
I know Chappy.
No.
And Nick?
No.
Then I could have which one of them?
Plug it. You can't, the girl a curl me and even plug in the curl in there.
I mean, me never see say no plug in.
I say me not feel no heat.
Actually, me just deep down and me.
No, until you love me business, they in my business
that's
right
cool,
now.
man, and stop move some man. And I think even did that curl perfectly same way. Even
No,
though
man,
I never plug
you're
in.
too good.
Man, now you take time, use your foot and pull it out.
To you love my business, I in my business. You never say I am not plug in.
That's cool, man. Cut that short and tell me.
And talk about me a beg.
You not go on good. Me just want to know what I go on so me can know.
Granny say better people can say you beggy the more than your teeth, you know.
Fala, me never went come here and beg you nothing. And obviously you when I beg something, that's why you end
You
up
will
with
get
something
paid
in front of
somewhere,
you there, so.
somehow. Hey, you know, me never going for ducks, you know.
Where you going for Fallon if you're not going for dogs?
Me going for bowl and butter and everything and come out. Full up.
I'm sorry for your condition. Your shampoo look like it chewy already.
Me no care. And if you come, you have to name food.
You never can call a name for none of your belly them.
No name no fi call. If many name call, there's many things coming in.
It's a good thing. You can walk
Make sure say I am plug in properly this
plug in,
time.
Fallon, it plug in. And if you want to use your foot and kick out this time, I know my problem cause me
You
I
never-
curl your ear and me not look round there. So
You never plug in the first time. You just all up in my Kool-Aid.
It did in the Fallon, obviously when they use it already.
Come finish curl me ear.
Me
You
curl
too
on the
know.
other side here cause if your head big, me have to go take taxi come round the next side.
Don't tell no lie.
I should drive hard to get now, make me not go look no drive to come round.
Boy, yeah, look, drive come on the next part of my head side.
Me can't get no taxi now cause sun hot.
Worry yourself.
You see the beggars them? At them have mouth when time then come at here just a shop.
If you not got 4 rules for no
Done
shit
you got
pan
to
you.
be, done your current and everything. And full of mouth. That's all you do, full of mouth.
But I mean, I'm curling iron do. Yeah, you just say you know no curling iron.
And full of baby father. And that one for sure positively.
God know, God is positive. That father is positive.
You have to give thanks that you have a nice good friend like me who can fix you up. And me just ask you a little bit of your business and you just there. I feel hard.
You should
to
know
tell
more
me.
than my business, more of my business more than me, you know.
You know worry yourself, the baby must ban. The baby must ban, so me will look and see who it favor.
You know raffle it for me then. Put name in the box and show you up anyone drop
If
out.
I no nose big, a foot go big, or a eye go
Our
big.
head.
Because all of the man them have a different features.
You will know a oofa, you will know. Ultrasound, you will know.
And me know you is not a
DNA,
good
you
friend.
will know.
You have money for the DNA? You have money for the DNA?
We not
And
have a
you come
problem,
and-
you know. I know me alone, a rock
Look
daddy
for me
not
when me
available,
a
you
talk to
know.
Look for me when me a talk
It's
to you.
not me alone, rocking daddy not available. Okay.
You have money for the DNA, you can't find a money for the hairstyle. So me a fix you up.
Is it look like some you have to go find one magnet to find my baby father then.
You try find it fast.
See that looking magnet give me? One big
Me
fat
not so-
magnet. If you just dry me in, you know the magnet I know the magnet I go know say other man them baby father just go so pick up baby father come.
Mrs. Are you fi find that the magnet yourself? Me and you never go
But you're
catch
so
the belly.
interested in our baby father.
Me supposed to interested because me is just an interested friend who interested in you.
Mind me.
Me already I take care of your hairstyle. How more you want me must do.
From when if you carry 2 pack of Lasco come give me go and drink and keep my body strong.
That until you can call couple name to me.
Lasco.
None out of the 4 name or the
Harlots.
5 name when me call you can give a call for.
When the baby born you will see a oofa love.
Follow your
Me not know your feet are bother me.
You see in life they say when the baby just born. And all the time you can look on the baby and detect who the baby feel.
Well, I no see heart no leap. You're lucky. Samsung Motorola, my uncle Siemens.
A Siemens make you look so.
Mm-hmm.
Siemens make you look so.
You're lucky.
If I'm
At
like
least
you,
me being fruitful and multiplying. Me not fruitful and killing. You finish?
Yes, me done because
You
first
just
thing
stand
you
up and look for me and stare in my morning.
me supposed to cause you don't have nothing for your family. You know what?
Out of order.
When I'm broke and papa, so me just can't bother with uno type of friend,
When
you
me
know.
left your ghetto place, yeah.
My
Your
girl,
ghetto
go on,
hairdresser.
go on.
Yeah, your ghetto hairdressing place.
And
Give me
like
my
you
curling
can-
iron. Give me my curling iron. I'm a comb. Give me
A good thing
something.
see a bird me having. Me don't want that for you. And first thing you're curling iron now hot good.
You not hot.
You're curling iron now
You're
hot
bright
good.
and face, so me plug in, it's still hot. Look on the red, you see red light coming when you plug in.
Don't worry
To
yourself.
you don't know when nothing hot you plug, you're not even like
Falan,
use the plug in.
If I me like you, me not show off about curling iron. Let me show you something.
Show me what?
See who all of the curling iron card down here so pull out. You want
Let's see, your man a pop out the worst. All bring new, cause you pop out here buy back.
The amount of man where you have, you're supposed to can buy one curling iron. What good? I mine you drop and roll pan I got there.
Let me drop and roll galang.
Pick up my current. She come here if you can't do is beg. You know what she take this thing for?
But it's a girl, you know. And one thing going on, she attack facts. I don't know what my baby father. She attack facts. I go circle tax. And see what happen. But I want him like go off here, you just do it now. I like go off here, a place go do my hair. Cause I can get the free hairstyle and something there. And she just tell her I look up my business and she just do me hair and done. Cause she love people business. And my friend still, you know. Me not cut off the link, I go search for her again. When me want do my head. But I have to find baby father. But she never have to tell me say how much man. Gosh. I know that already, that's why I end up so. And me carry the belly. She just should not happy for me. Right.
How that? Tax?
Hey, what going, bro?
How going, fam?
Good, man.
Long time no see, man. How going with?
Boy, we there go and hold it in the farm, you see?
See, man, how things are going for your farm? Look good, man.
Boy, look good in a brother, but no go and feed them only big, for nothing workless.
I just time, man. I just time, you know.
So now give me a fight, brother.
Boy, everybody's gonna give a fight, you know. God
no,
knows.
sir. See, and the youth. I see him youth this year.
Yeah, man, I hear, man. Boy, I grow.
So boy get big,
Yeah,
man.
tell him, man, soon pass me, you see, man.
Why
God.
spitting image of you that in a youth?
Yes, fam, I tell him,
What
man.
the favor, some man? Jano star.
Yes.
Why?
But talking of my boy, I'm not sure baby mother did belly, man. Fat
My
up
baby, my
everything.
belly.
Yeah, man, if your baby mother. Pay them see I talk to the big
Falan.
belly. Yes, yeah, you know who me I
No,
talk.
man. I know my belly, man.
What you mean by your belly?
I know my belly, brother.
No. Come with that, some with that. Come with that. Hold on.
I know my belly, brother.
Oh, no, something, alright.
You're foul. Yeah, man.
Why?
Come in, brother.
Can't believe me I hear from.
A real mate, brother. You tell a youth.
So I really need to know how I go on, man. Have a seat, my son.
Yeah, man, brother.
Yeah. So, what you mean by baby?
I know my baby, youth. I tell you before belly start and belly get big.
Yeah.
About months after, brother. I don't know if I one or two, but when I left, man. You understand?
You never left.
Yes, man, I left before she started breed.
But you never leave us away. That day in time, they have to know how I go on.
No, after she left,
Yeah.
me see the belly and me confront her and ask her for mine and she said, enough for me, you understand?
Are you sure?
Boy, she don't mind, brother, you know.
Mm.
You
I
understand?
mean, this body is in your farm, then you know farm.
What you say?
When you feel baby and months gone and you're not sure. Something alright, man. Probably when you're gone, somebody's there, your farm are going to pick out, you don't know how going. Boy, that no sound safe still. You're a big man, a hard working man. I know in a situation like this, a lot of people will laugh at you, you know, fam.
Brother,
That's not right, man.
but yo, as me say she did left stuff, nobody can look for me tree and say, yo, watch her.
But me look at kill me dead a fear baby just in a belly, you know. I me show you right now. And I say, hey, tax are going with things. What tax not going with now? Right now they know I'm empty farm, I'm empty yard, but I want to walk up and down space, I feel baby and people know how I'm going. You get me, I say?
Yeah, I really meant to talk, my youth.
Yeah, man, I need to do some confrontation, man, and know how I'm going. Apply a little pressure, you know.
Yeah,
I make it stress you out still, you know.
Real.
Yeah, man.
Tell her youth.
But then again, I never okay and I no use.
What you talk about youth?
Because as soon as mama gone and get belly, brother.
No, brother, you ain't see
With
man.
it.
Oh man, for work this youth. Why you take this
Yo.
thing for this year, this winner youth?
No man, but something alright, man. As mama gone and get belly and they how long, brother. Man, your man get up, you know, brother.
Yo, youth, you don't know what go on there, youth.
If he's okay still enough, I'm nothing now going, you know. Look there now, mama gone and have no one chase for sure, say, hey, brother, life short, you know.
Oh, yourself, my youth. Man, peace from burn grass in the youth. What do you? A time do everything.
My piece already burn grass, you know, see my son right there, so, you know.
Lucky, you're lucky. You know if a jacket.
But you unlucky. How can I jacket, man? Are you see one does same favor me?
Oh.
Me I show you, fam. Yo, something alright, no, brother. Me I lose half of you, no, fam. Yeah, man, you too workless, man.
Youth.
You too workless, man. You farm with them, man. Get some blown up and so I can go on, yeah, man. Because me I lose, God know me lose half of you, fam. Yo, come on, yeah, my boy. Yo, take care of yourself, man. Do what you have to do.
Yeah, man, I do what I have to do, man.
Wow, yeah, man, kind of lose half of you still feel like still.
Lose half of me.
Yeah, man, something alright, there's something here. So you go still. No man at the entire.
Oh man, work it. How are you?
Where is someone I give me money?
Tax! Tax! Speak up and further hold your peace, you know.
Yes, sir.
Come, talk to me, because there's a possibility to use the father.
Where did that come from?
What do you mean where that come from? Come here, go there, any name of the call.
No, man. Come and talk. I mean, understand where you are about possibility.
Me not care who you are, have you too.
But not there, man. I want, man.
I don't care that.
You want to see it?
Me no want no chair, I bed me I go in and bed me I do somebody there when time and get one so me. You see me look? Bed do me so. No want no chair, you stay in that chair.
So how you just relate this to me and now, Fallon?
Because I get to my bed, I get to my head.
Remember, you know, from the first, you say me can't be the father because I don't have no money and I broke and I live in a whole house and farm. So, this.
Me no want the all house business and me no want your farm business or whatever. Just give me money. Me take care of baby till the baby born. If you want to know who for when the born look.
Look. So what
Okay,
about
feel
DNA?
favor you.
How about DNA?
Me no want no DNA. Give me money where you gonna use the DNA right now. Give me it now. Let me keep it till the baby born and do the DNA.
I want to know if you say, I come to the palm and say, not enough money, I'm not to know if you believe if I'm my picnic.
You have to born with your head and say if you are jackfruit, calabash.
Aye. You come and tell if you stay with me and say, no, yeah, what do I do?
You know what me did I do?
Me that boy sure now, you know. If you did there around me all the time, and then me see belly grow, but you just go a month after you come back, and I'm my belly.
I not take long for something working on me. It not take long. 3 days and you reach egg. Okay. You did buy emergency contraceptive, give me? No. You know what you do? We don't know one thing I other. Give me money where you going to use the DNA, no? You not have it?
No,
You have to have it, you have to find it. Go sell to a yam and cook out on the ground.
I'm not read nothing for the ground.
Rent out one room for the whole house, no?
I don't think they are convenient enough. But as you say, make sure you're sure it's your mind. You know?
Me sure.
You're sure?
Yeah, give me money, me sure.
Alright, see. Maybe I go and process it by. I have to call up all of my family and tell me about you on the way. So.
Them a go give more money for the money where you have to give me. Where you cut them for?
So me not fi celebrate, man. Me not fi celebrate.
You not have to celebrate. Give me money make me celebrate for you.
So me not have no money, I know. So watch now, man. As soon as
That's how me could bother with you, you know.
them and get some money for the farm.
As the light tomorrow morning me a come back. You see now, sun a shine, eh? And night come down, and then tomorrow come a 1 day that. County days them like prison, like when time Monday a prison. Night and morning a 1 day that.
Alright. I'm gonna make some call to over.
You lucky to me I give so much lead, so much chance. Just give me money where you go take the DNA when baby
tomorrow
born.
morning. Me get some money and then we can
As he take off his jazz, me they reach ya. As folk come off a roast, me a come.
Alright. So what you say? You have to stay with me tonight?
Me think about it. Just tell me what just tell me if you come for your money. You don't have to give me no time, forget. You don't have to give me no time. Me a go come. When I come to her, I stay with you. When I get the money after I get the money, me left. At least me not hide and tell it to your face. You deserve it. I mean you carry the struggles.
Boy.
Nobody ever tell you to get yourself in this problem.
You can't touch me,
No, if you want. When money, give me money, they don't touch it. Can you there want to raffle it?
I don't raffle, me happy, you know, man. Listen, you can't touch it.
No!
Why?
Here we go hide.
I want to call my friend, I'm not going to buy one credit. Yeah,
No call nobody, I expose me so.
No, man, remember say me call me.
But you don't know money yet, I know but you want to make call.
I say you get donation in a man.
How will you make donation for which belly? Me tell us you raffle, you want raffle this?
To me, no, man.
Does it be like a Salvation Army?
Hey,
Go make donation for yourself for your growing your ear.
you're not happy for me, man. You should
Right.
have smile. You see me, I smile, I'm well happy.
Me can't smile because y'all know you don't give me $1.
Oh, my. Hey.
Um,
I'm going to look for my auntie number here, man. The number is somewhere where I say.
Better send your auntie a telegram.
Oh, God.
Are you best good auntie that?
Guess what, man?
Tell her something nice and everything, you know. Tell her something no, me no do nothing wrong or do nothing to you, you know. So she
Yeah,
can
man,
send
yeah,
whole heap
man.
of things for me. Me want she like me. What you mean lie?
No, man. Yes. Another one there. Oh, see
You
that.
can't trick me, you know. So call her now. One year every money I come through. Me care about you or your auntie for your purpose. Just like say auntie like you for send your money. How's she name?
Susie, man. You remember Auntie Susie? Auntie
Susie can go on. They like the rest of them, then too enough.
Alright, number 2 sell me here.
No sound like that they call her go through, you know.
Yeah. Me say, it's not answer.
Well, when she answer, you talk to her and tell her what go on.
So what you say, you don't bother stay?
Me a go down on my yard, me tell her say tomorrow morning me a come back. You know nothing for all me, ah.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called.
Yeah, there.
Take your time. Remember say I have a little one now I come here.
Girl, look one. Our ones. I'm more money for the ultrasound.
Alright, we see.
Uncle Nick, me not dead for no uncle don't like the rest of girl them. I'm telling her that.
Me make
They
a
look
call.
like they
man.
don't have nobody, I'm sure so me have somebody.
Yeah, man, me there, man, me there.
Call again now.
Yeah, man, me a call her back, man. Me a call her back. Alright. Yo, this just surprised me so. This just surprised me so. Look when she says she feel away and she think, me I say, I mind. She said no. She said I never mind, but no, she say I mind. You understand? She convinced it I could have never for me. The timing never right and all of this. Now she come back with big belly, Big belly and I say I mind. I don't know what to think.
John won't start come, I buy 22 man and the man play 23 man. Bombard star, yo. Now I'll make a cash pot my youth. Yo, I'm done with cash pot there, man.
Somewhere, somehow. One of them have to mine. I all of them want to mine too. We have to mine. We need minding. What one is hi, hello.
Hello, good evening, my friend. Alright.
Alright, wait, wait, you see me look.
Hey, look.
I'm on the money me come for because a possibility to use the father.
No, sir, this can't right, man.
Wait, what can I write?
How long I see you?
Check your timing. Baby was developing.
No, man, the timing wrong, man. The maths the wrong, man.
I'm gonna have to work maths for this year.
No, man, do your maths and check again.
And I divide, I add this, I add.
No, man, I'm sure see you know me, man.
No, it takes 2.
No.
Are you?
No, so I can't work.
Just give me some baby money right
No,
now.
I can't work.
Me have to get something.
No, you have to go and find the real
Go and
father.
find. You think with the Amori?
No, man, you have to find the real father, man.
If we even go Amori right now, man, go tell us say you is the
Take
father.
up what me can't bear, I don't mind that.
Take up what you can't bear what? If you didn't know, so you can't manage what you do, you make it happen for. Eh?
Right, I know, I know my own, you know.
I feel you try to run for your responsibility.
Yo, I know my own, you know.
I have to feel.
So hold on.
And give me money then now.
No, hold on, me ask you, when was the last time we meet up?
You don't have to remember when it was the last time. Belly come.
No, man, the last time we meet up, man, 5 years now, man.
Which 5 years?
5
Well,
years
5 years me I can't belly for.
No, man, you can't be able for 5 years. So the best thing you do, you just take up a little something and go back to your gate.
What go back to which gate?
See gate right, so you just
Give
go
me
right.
sitting, give me sitting.
No,
You
man,
have
watch
something.
out. You see, funny one see it, me just.
Lick me and lick
You
me
know
and kill with pitney.
You know what, man, go walk you out, you know, but guess what?
Walk
Just take
out.
your bag and go on.
Me I go make sure.
Have a nice day,
You know
yeah?
say you end up a quarters?
Have a nice day.
You end up a quarters. I'm
man.
not really want to go quarters. You see what you do?
What's like how me go lose the cash party, bet you just go on through
Me
the
even
gate.
tell you you're gambling now.
You come and tell me about say me have baby.
In 2 times when me sweat, I see what me get.
Me have baby. Go look for your father.
Are you a father?
Me go cancel.
Let me left you in your life. Let me left you in your place.
Eh?
So you have to mind you, you me say?
Man, no pity,
You have to mind you, fear it.
Hmm?
Twin come and fear, one
go
come
look
and
for your
fear,
father.
boy come and fear, girl come and fear.
Have a nice day, yeah? And God go with you,
And we hear that?
God go with you, cause me can't come,
You
yeah?
can't,
No, man, God go with you, cause me can't come. No, man. Go look for your father.
You know say you're out
Go
of order.
look for your father, me done with you.
You is the father, you worthless man. Crosses, you don't know how me end up with him. Move and go to. Me I go come back, you know. You just try to make sure me come and me get money for go to clinic. Oh. Come I have to go get medication and something to go and take for the baby stay healthy inside of me. Worthless man. You hear? You don't know what kind of woman have uno not take care of woman wanna end up with. And get me like this. Me did single by myself, you know. Me did single by myself. What me can never go on before me have belly. Come tell me about I not feel.
Yo, man, if you go call me G, you know, man, cause this can't real, man. 5 years now since me and that girl left, you know. 5 years. Tell man, boy, man, have pit me. Call me nigga, you know. Yeah, I deal with my father, everything good. You know, some. Eh. You don't know, say me there charge him, man. Yo, me say, Bridget, me can't believe what go on in a star. You don't know, say, it be called link me star a 5 year now since me and him start deal, Virgin. And him a tell me, say, yo, yeah. You know, remember I see him be the man I have for the 5 year time, man, for a long time, man. Yeah, man, cause me head kinda crazy up here now, you know. So, which part are you there? Alright, here we go on now. I'm go walk come out on the road and look up and see. You see it? Yeah, how down the road there. Yeah, man, see me down here, some man. Forward.
Tell her, man. Right, I put her in there.
Yeah, David.
Hold on.
Yeah, man, alright, let's say that for real, man. You don't know, say I'm there charge it.
What you say about female and 5 year?
Right now, you remember the beat, Fallon out when
Fallon?
Yeah, the same beat that one me left 5 years ago, man. She not pop up on me, man.
Yeah, man, we left 5 years ago, but what you mean she pop up on you?
Pop up on me yard and I tell me come up with big belly, so my J. And I tell me say, yo, my own, so me if you response and rare. And me I say, yo, general. I have to just tell her, say, yo, you wanna man, come out of me yard, cause yo, wanna feel me that. Yeah, and my lines that. You have to find him baby father, and I see it to my friend. You see, you just want to come pin a youth for me, and I see it.
So she said there are possibilities it could be yours.
Yeah, see, I'm my one and a 5 year now, so that real.
5 years now, since you see her 5 years
No, but see, 5 years now, I left her now.
Good.
Yeah, so.
What on 5 years since you see her?
No, but you wanna, I try to tell her, say, yo, me and her in a known dealings from 5 years.
Hey,
so
boy.
she can't just.
You hear me say, hold on, man, hold on, man, hold on,
tell
man.
me, say, for me. You see me? I believe in them things, brother.
Hold on, no, man.
You laugh,
Hold
man,
on, no,
I'll
man.
laugh
Let me
off
bring
a
back
man,
some
tell man,
memories now,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
man.
You see me?
Would I say roughly around 7 months ago? You see, Fallon. Remember a party we go, man.
This party, yeah.
Remember the last party we go. The last party. We no party much. The last party, me and you go.
Alright, what you say go on? What go on? Cause me not...
Drunk like butter and wink yeah, to me and tell me say, yo.
Yeah,
And when you left, you and I left.
oh, with the CMB.
Fallon me attack, man. That was 7 months ago.
So that means say, yo, I can't for me then. If you see for me out.
That means I'm gonna advise still, you know. So you know me have advice for you. Muda say, I don't feel still, but you know, in the position where you're in life, you know, for you and you can't say.
No, man, me nah want it still, man.
Yeah, man, mother agree with you. But I said there is a possibility though.
Yeah, but yeah, me nigga still, and me and you roll the night still, you know. But
Yeah,
you know,
man.
so up to the time,
I
me
tell you,
remember
when you
nothing what go
move,
on.
and you and I move.
I know, so
Me
me
see you, man. When I
nothing
time,
what go
man,
on, Gina.
I feel your hand round for your shoulder and I shake kind of hold you, but you recognize me because see, yeah, them stay so.
Brother. Can't believe still, you know, but yeah.
A real talk, man.
Right, you know, me no feel say, yo, me go take that still, you know. Ego man thing.
My advice is, I watch you now. Me no want to be the bad friend. We kind of advise you to do the wrong thing. Zine? Girl, listen.
No, say, me listen what you say.
Not for real, man. Just hear what she have to say.
No, I hear what you say, cause no, me say, yo, this a flick back in my mind.
It a come back, you know.
Yeah, this a come
Girl,
back.
listen,
so
man.
me go
Girl,
cry,
listen,
yeah.
man. Fallon is not really a bad girl. Quote, you know. But girl, listen to you what go on.
I say, oh, that slip me and the girl just pop up and I say, you know, virgin. I mean, this her up, you know.
Wicked.
This her up and slam on the gate pan her, you know, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, for her, me not tell no lie, man. I mean, I say, yo.
Fallon is a girl away. Go for your police, you know Fallon. You can't call her and find her. Get things straight to her. Call her, man. Call her, man. And tell her to come in. You're willing for hear what she have to say.
You know, say, yo, right now, me even have her number, cause she
Oh,
work
yeah,
on
no.
them a long time there. Number get messed up, all phone change and them thing, them friend. Yeah. So
you know, so
that
have
is
her
it.
number. A new chip this, you know.
Get to think of it. Remember, she have a road around friend named Shayna, you know?
Shayna.
Yeah. I feel say I could have get the number.
And Shayna don't live far.
No.
Eh.
I would have up the road in live. I don't know. So probably when I left here, I just go link her and get the number.
Oh, so what you do you know?
No, man, I know.
You prefer left?
Yeah, I want to deal with a little thing same way, but I don't know.
Oh, speaking of little thing. It's a little thing come across me again.
Yo, and you know, so I want to tell us, brother, cash pack man, I deal with me grimy. Yeah.
Lose.
At 3 times I buy for a morning, brother, and the last draw I buy. Young man play 23 par. You see me catch all the 22.
You know, I rely upon you, you know.
Oh, God,
you
man.
$1,000 plus, you know, I say, yo, I link you for your 15 bills and
I tell
pay
you,
them
man.
off, you know.
But probably look more still, you know.
Why the hope I got?
Yeah, I'm going to see me get in touch and get in.
Do it, man. Because Fallon, we take actions, you know.
Give me a good talk, you know, because this is clicking on the board.
Click
So,
in,
yeah,
man.
man. Look more. Yeah.
Big up yourself.
All right.
How long I shop to see if I can get a food, you know? Watch your walk on yourself. One bad star food shop locked. I'm striking hungry.
What, Shayna, what?
Why are you there now?
There, man, up a yard, man, I run coming now.
Why you could have run come up on me yard for how long me not see you?
No, man, you have a friend named Fallon, man, and I have her number.
After so many years you're done with my friend, you want my friend number again?
Yeah, man, it's important, man.
I wonder how important me can give you it, you know, but me not so sure because Normally, me that contact her first and make she know if me can give out her number.
No, man, me a follow a friend, man, for a long time, man.
But right now, to all my friend Evie, me not sure if you want that the extra package number there.
Don't worry about that, man. This morning, I say follow. I just want her number, you know, cause certain things ain't good on her, but I want to call her if you apologize to her and talk to her a little way, you know?
Apologize. I wonder what could I go wrong. Me can give your number still, but
Yeah, man, I just that more than want from you still.
well, I make me scroll and look if me find the number because me did
look if
call
you
her this
find it.
morning. Oh, the number is 583.
Hold on, let me put in 876 first, hold on.
Should I do that long time and you want number?
Alright, go on now.
583-9750. And make sure you call her. I don't want you come style my friend this time.
No, man, I'm going to style a friend. I know right, you know. I want to call her and say certain things to her because she just pop up on me this morning.
And please do, because right now my friend have extra load of care and she can't manage the stress right
Don't worry
now.
yourself, man. Thank you for your number still, you know.
You're welcome.
Here, long door.
No, but I come play in my ear. You try to go play if you follow and make sure you spend on her.
Thanks and praise me reach back home. See it now. Yeah, I call for now still, you know. This the number I go with me, you know. Cha-cha.
Driver, turn on your music now. Hello?
Hello, good evening. Fallon, what's up?
Alright, my day here.
After you just deal with me, so you call me back now.
No, man, no disrespect, man. I know say me been gambling the cash pot and, yo, the cash pot man been taking my money, so me just get upset, but don't feel no way still.
Call me.
No, man, no feel no way, man.
But feel away. I feel away.
What you know? What's
Yeah.
going to set me tomorrow, man?
You're lucky so you call me because I'm yard me go and go station early in the morning.
Oh my God, you don't have to do that, yeah?
So when you come back tomorrow morning, then instead of gas station,
Yeah, more you come link me tomorrow, man, because I'm off on a bad start, you
I'll
understand?
be there.
Since I said I'll not go to the station and come to you, have money forgive me.
No, man, don't worry about that, man. We'll sort out things, man. Just wait
And that me
on
did
the
come bout. All you have to do is just to give me money when me just do deal with the little situation.
Okay, don't worry yourself, baby. Here, honey.
Alright then, no problem, honey bunny.
But you must come by at least 9 o'clock, yeah?
So you give me time.
No, I'm not really that, man. Me have to just do certain things, you know?
Alright, no problem.
Okay. So 9
You should
o'clock.
have the money up, money live.
Yeah, man, tomorrow we talk, man. So what you say, for me, youth?
I feel it.
Without a doubt, I hear pitney.
Oh, my God. Don't worry about that, then. So tomorrow, just come check me.
I rub down your baby head for me, yeah?
If I had a put 85 push up, give me
Alright.
money and Ruby.
Yeah, man, because you see one thing. You see another baby in the barn and you know love Lasco and my one, you know?
You love Lasco, so Penny must love Lasco too. I'm love Milo, so I must love Milo too. So it's either either.
I don't know, so I just have a feeling, say, I'm you.
I hear pitney, I hear pitney.
Alright, tomorrow we'll talk about things.
Alright, no problem. I'll be there.
Yeah, love you, yeah?
Yes, so you see.
Okay, honey.
Fine, man, if I really marry you.
We tell you I don't know still, you know. So we have money for them go on.
No, no, this a place, yeah.
What you don't want to say, sir?
No, let me out here, so driver, come to my place, so one man take me away or something. I don't know what there, no. I'm have to deal with my situation, you know.
But then you know Keisha sister.
So what?
Yeah, so Keisha will come up and say,
Me not come out.
Keisha be care now.
Can't go here, yard.
Well, you know your condition?
What you mean? You see me with the shampoo.
You don't bother with that right now. I am a
You
married
see me
man.
look a free drive, man, cause
I'm a married man.
me look a free drive.
Oh, you carry on when I next back.
Yeah, you can drop me off right at the gate, or we can want drop me up through the bush here, so it's a shortcut job, blood.
Come see your sister. I'll take her. I'll talk to her. So we think you're do see her.
No let me off here, so you see a dark.
Alright.
So no, so don't be a walk a night.
Watch out, man. Hey,
I pray.
youth, I have to tell you something, youth. I'm my youth, you know? I'm my youth, brother.
You sure?
My youth, she come confess the truth to me. Say I'm my youth.
Well, make sure enough for me like how you prove yourself still.
I tell you, brother.
Yeah,
Me no man, Guinea, me have use. Me I left something on the earth.
Which is, I'm sorry about me say that yes, but man, the grace,
I say, brother.
Yeah, if you know some my boy, I have an ex-man, I agree with you, man.
I say, brother, because me I say, look how we when me go sit down and look back on it.
Yeah.
If you say, as me and I just left, another man I breathe and my youth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, for real, but
I'm happy for you that. I forgot buy you a beer, man. I'm happy for you.
I have to buy me a beer,
Yeah,
youth.
man, I'm sorry for my sister, but yo, I'm glad if you know say I feel you.
Alright.
Yes, I left a chase by the earth.
At least me left a chase. Me no work this, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm sorry about that. You know work this again.
Alright, my brother. Me just go buy one jug of water. You understand?
Yeah, me, man, I have to fix
Spring
up
water we are drinking now. Stop drink pipe water. Too much chlorine. You understand?
Right.
Right way. So just go and do it right, man. I go down and go do some work in the farm. Cause
Yeah, right
pick
now.
me up your mind and now, you know.
I'll be a blessing to come in and farm, man. No
Alright. Just do it right, my brother.
Alright, fam. Take care, is it?
Yeah,
Happy
man.
for you again.
Yeah, man. You know, pick me up your mind, so I have to do work. You
Yeah, I
understand?
know you have to go work.
I know me have to go work.
Yo, feeding the deer, no.
You know what I feel the day and I have to tell me, yo.
Alright, fam.
We link, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Like you're not even so forced already. Every drip continuous, so I have to make sure say pull right up. I mean, I have a neighbor to go beg no water. Alright, oh, you see, I hit that. Nothing now go on for me, I wonder star say. Come to talking about this and that, me have one friend, you know. You know, say me should have call her. Should have call her and make she know say right now, nothing now go on for me, I you know. Probably she could have sent a little thing come give me. After all, we never used to live so bad. Me will call her. You better me call her now. Yes man, me will call her. Me can get my phone. Stay at Jamaica and make hungry kill me at all. I have big friend of foreign. Only hope she answer.
Boy, call me now, man. I don't know, so right on the busy. Shauna? Is that you?
So was it my big friend over there in Bronx, New York? What happened now?
Lord of mercy, sounds so exciting. Wish we could be excited as you.
Me excited because me no stop show off how me have nice clean friend of foreign me there.
That is so sweet.
You kill me.
Lord of mercy, so tell me something. You're not working by the hotel anymore. What happened?
Boy, me lose that they work there, no, cause boss now pay me good, now pay me my money on time and them things there. So right now nothing now go on for me. Me not really work right now, me not really have a job. Pay and tomorrow go on for me.
Them still are going to them something in Jamaica, my friend.
Yes, man, that are going on here right now, so we kind of low up on some cash. Me when they wonder if you couldn't send a little thing, come give me.
So what I can do for you?
Yes, cause me call you for make you know say me I beg you if I even a small change. Nothing too big, me not pressure you, you know your thing set already, you know.
Give me a little time because this weekend I have some clients coming in at the bar and I had already spent up some money. Me even a plan for set up karaoke girl for make the thing look sophisticated and nice. You know, not only the people them come here and drink, but you know, have a little entertainment and jerk pan and all these things. So believe me, in about maybe give me another 2 weeks or so, I make something reach you.
Me I start countdown from now till the 2 weeks come, you know. Me start counting. And
You know what with me?
you, and the time thing where you dey tell me for give you a little time, I go and give you skelly and onion.
Everything that you want to send the money, come give me. You hear me, friend?
Shana, you're not changing, make it turn so bad. You know worry yourself, you know your big friend always will come through for you. Just make sure you keep yourself out of trouble.
I close alone, me change. So me there I go and count down the days, them and me I start count from now. until the 2 week come.
You better make sure your clothes alone you change. Okay, my dear. See you later, alright?
Alright, my big friend, take care and me love you.
Yeah, man, me love you too. I'm not make nothing to you, no. Take care of yourself.
Alright, my friend, later.
Alright. I never get to finish what I'm doing. Hello?
Auntie Susie. Yeah, man, you know, say me have some good news to tell you and thing.
Only thing I have to tell you, I'm going to ask them something, you know.
You want to ask me something? You know what?
Yes.
You're going to have to call me back for this, you know, because it looked like it's a very, very long speech. I'm very busy right now. I have some clients coming and I really need to finish what I'm doing. I just do some check off, but I really need to finish what I'm doing before them come. So tell you what, just call me back later whenever you have the time, okay? But not now, all right?
Alright. Me will call her back. Yeah. Alright. But, yeah, man. Alright. You know, say, she will give me something, so. Nah, worry. She said, call her back. You know, call her back.
See me too.
But Fallon, you know this say you tell good in and say I'm a good friend.
Good friend.
Susie nephew.
Which nephew? I'm my
My
baby
good friend
father.
Susie where they are Bronx, New York.
It's my baby father. Hi, hello.
What you not say?
Yeah, man.
Susie never going with
You must
this.
maintain me, have to
Yes, you know
sustain me
Susie.
and
Yeah, man, me
everything.
know Susie. Me and Susie is bonafide friend.
Bonafide what?
Bonafide friend.
Why, me
Not
don't-
because you don't know her,
That's
Fallon.
why my baby mother look full like pumpkin.
You know what I mean? I eat already.
Yeah. But,
He eat hot for me work, come like me in a menopause. A double eat for me, you know. Tell him. He eat all the bunk sauce for me pie, you know feel it?
alright, so. Me know me tell her to come back in the morning.
Yes, and I see a morning right now. I say I see falling out from I see falling. I know so you wake.
Alright, so.
Not too rough him still, Fallon. Remember say I'm a friend nephew.
Mm-hmm.
Me.
Tell your friend say.
Kind of caution.
Tell your friend say you never get me so.
Alright. So me call me try to get to my auntie. Yesterday.
So you talk so talk fast and the money you talk about.
Fallon, I
Yeah,
saw
I
him
that-
stay, Fallon. He
that-
just calm.
And
He
that me I tell her
calm.
me did a talk to her from yesterday. And she said to call her back, but sound like she busy, so me not sure to call her back yet, so me not have him on.
The one where you say up a foreign.
Yes, I see auntie.
The foreign people that take so long with money.
But me know say she'll come through, man. She have to come through because she always come through. She not have to worry yourself. You understand? So,
Come through where all.
no, with the piece of food, remember, me tell her say me not have no money to that. As you can see.
The money always have money problem.
But me like how the belly a shape out.
Me know say you not left yourself broke in as day like you think about your first thousand, you know. You must have some idea. For day like now, man, I me come to talk about you. Cut long story short.
Right now, you don't know me a think about everything.
I don't me talk too much, I'm belly to
Everything
stiff
I
up
think
for
about
me.
you, 'cause me feel that way how me can't put something in your palm.
Tell him to give me the
Why
money.
you can't take condo, that's all. Me know, Fallon, you're
No,
born
me
to
not
take
can
con.
man. Me not can
You make sure.
I'm not taking this time, you know.
No take no con. Like you come after
So
that.
give me some, you know.
Me not can
More survive, more live too. Or you eat and drink.
You see farm.
See which farm? Not even one ripe plant me not see. Not even green plant me not see if you make a porridge.
You know what I'm saying? Nobody want to come and fall for buy.
Me no know about yourself, you know, come on. I want to the
All them
money.
stop me, all them stop me, all back come and fall
But
on
you
the
know,
time.
remember, you know, just take time, that just
So what make you have to make drastic measures reach me when me come to you for money here, so?
Remember say me never.
Who you a talk
Remember say
to?
we never even sure.
I said Kareem.
After you come yesterday and you say I'm say alright, I eat and
You tell me
you just
to come
have
back
a
in the
preparation.
morning.
Yes, but me not get you to her.
Come like the people them
Boy,
say
me
just
sorry for you and him cause him so soft again and for you different thing from him for your belly fall and me don't know this
come
one
on,
work.
give me something. Come now.
Just give me one more day, cause
No.
just call her back. She kinda busy.
Me can't wait. You tell me say this your morning yeah. This your morning yeah. And not go on with yourself, a puny self like say you want to sorry for you. Remember the when man bought a crocodile tears, I'm not help you join the crocodile tears.
And
You
I'm not sorry for you.
You know me have a hard working youth in the
You
ground.
could have hard working so till me no business. And money me I talk about.
Alright. So
Money for the belly.
Why they say
just
cockroach no
give
business
me
in
a
a
chance
fight?
to man understand the situation.
No, why you never use cup protection or a piece of bag or something?
Why?
Falan you if you know that from start.
Him fi know
I
that
mean I go
too.
come in on no business cause they say cockroach no business in a
No.
fight. I mean I want to get near
So
me.
me I
that
tell
You
you.
hear what they say?
You see me up now, man. Just give me until tomorrow the latest. If she not come through, I will ask you something and sell it two for them. Cause
Me not wait till I sell a fall.
just understand, say I try in the moms. You know, say the things not well.
No
up.
moms me. No try nice me up. Me no business.
Hey, you know, if you him so hard in front of your friend,
Me-
you know.
Aye, she know your mother.
I same thing me I say Falan, calm down
She
man.
know
Never
your
say I'm
auntie?
friend nephew man.
She
Calm
know your
down,
pa?
man.
Just
Calm down man, you
just
soon
listen
go on
me
and
up,
go on
man.
till you
Listen
break
me up.
all your
Something
head
about that,
water.
man.
Me care if you help back me how I do.
Then you not have to behave so not because me there here for help.
Me a go on with myself because me know say me have back it
Go on with yourself, Falan. Go on with yourself.
Me don't care if you
Go on
nothing.
with yourself.
Where money there? See how I'm fi go and come back again.
As me say, if you
Hungry
call
go
her-
poison me, you know.
No, man. Jah is working for me and you.
Jack go full me belly tonight.
Know yourself. Little water and one psalms.
Me a go away.
Yeah.
Me a go away. And on a chance me a give her anything.
So baby, I kick her or anything.
No, we don't care about no baby. I keep, give me something to eat and the baby will kick. Cause when you hungry, no move.
It's your fat man, you ain't feed that for you.
Later, you have
for
a
my
friend
part.
nephew.
It's the one a bowl I'm missing, man.
Falan, rest yourself. Rest a bit.
Lad,
Sure. Go over man. You don't want me to sit down.
sit down and prepare something big. Me the puppy
Oh
down.
God. Shaky sir.
You better come on the side with me there. I feel like a
God.
poop and Charlie.
So what next motive for you, sir?
Well, more if I'm gonna look for Nick.
Lord Jesus.
Yes.
One more,
want
man.
the money.
Why you not easy at all?
Yeah,
You
you know-
follow you still.
No more, you go and go fresh up. I'm going to go fresh up. And ready. Play no Nick a hot boy and my money spending boy and something.
Are
So me
you-
can't go shabby.
And you fi at up for him.
Me say me a go show me a go hot up and ready up and something. You go fresh up yourself.
Anything
Come
you
with
say.
me.
Anything you say, Falan. Me the back of your pee clock.
You just now want to follow me or something.
Me
Me
gonna
tell me
follow
now.
you.
You tell me I go look man money, you know. You want
hand down back of you, so. Me gonna follow you and stop going like you want to get irritated. Come, we change my
me
mind.
pregnant, me have moods.
It's only that alone that save you.
Come on.
You want this way now?
How come I have to pick you just and leave me for the pump and Charlie dick?
You want me to pull you over?
Hold me hand. Tell say something come like a pump and Charlie.
I feel like I'm here, you see.
Matter go and make sure you go get ready and fresh up yourself and make sure you see after that me, you know, me I go look for my man. Later.
Alright.
Come check them up in the yard and have ready.
Talk, sir.
How that? Oh,
I'm a man.
are you see man to our?
You know, say, yeah, man, Falan, alright, everything good. And you me personally come back for check.
Eh?
You know, first time people always say you can't turn 4 and throw salt in a pot. So at least invite me inside, cause what me want to tell you, me don't really want nobody to hear.
Alright, come.
And you have to sit down to get this a piece of news, you know, cause I'm nothing good, me I tell you, you know.
Alright.
You want to know, say, the same friend there where you see, me they walk with me in Falan, is not a good girl. You see that belly there? When you see she can't come here, they give you about say, I feel your belly, and you feel mind pitney, don't mind it. A tree a uno, she have like a pass round donkey, they go round and come round, so she a scammer. She scam you, she scam Nick, and she scam Chap Lad. Remember me tell you, don't have dollar and give it to her, else you're going sorry. You're going to regret it.
Who name Nick?
Yes.
And who name Chap Lad?
She have one dressy one. You know full of girl? Him
Yeah.
full of woman east, west, north and south. Fallon they scam him cause Fallon said the belly a female. Fallon no say. The belly is not for none of who know you know.
None of we.
It no look like a for none of who know because tell me now, you can't have one belly and the dash they get 3 months so. Some things when me hear she say about you, oh she gonna rip you off. Me and your auntie is good friend. And me I look for the best for you. Me no want you to take your little bit what you have and they give to Fallon, she no worth it. Make she go find the correct man for your pitney man. A jacket you want so? Me hear you they talk about she fi check your back this and that. As you give her the money, and they go make sure I beg her. She mean still you know she not go really give me so easy. But don't give her. And I'm going to make sure I tell your auntie say, if she ever hear you up in your mouth, they talk about nothing for no baby, don't give her. Don't give her because me go see if you're going to turn fool and mind jacket. You a idiot. You try to forget about that. You hear me I tell you? Me I put you on your guard because me and your friend and me and your auntie is good friend. Me and Fallon a friend too, but she have some ways where me not really like. Can't have one belly they give to 3 man. So as all me come and me give you the news, see then nobody at all no in here when me tell you. I don't want to hear about my name. Because no young man nowadays when people tell you no things you know always go like you no blind to love, make love blind you know. You can't say me never want you. Turn fool in this and you see what happened to you. You turn fool in it. You there the make up face like when rain go fall. You did feel say. You want you as much. Fallon is not a good girl. You trying to bother with the cowballing cause that not go work. You should have went think about it. At for your old age you want my jacket. Why you never get the jacket from you young? So you could have grown in a hit. You want to take it when it big now. Farm fool of yourself. Farm fool. You know what? I they can't left your place you know because I don't want nobody come call you and hear my voice in and they give you no news because guess what? You don't see me from me and Fallon left you so since there. And you don't hear my voice neither. That means say me no carry no tour in or no mix up come give you. Don't call me name. Remember me tell you fall. Stand up in a love and don't fall. You later you take care of your and hush again.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, alright. Oh God. No, Father, tell me what let me see if we get one, look at none. No. Father, better. Let me straight, Father. This back and forth thing. I say, baby, I'm mine. Then you say, the baby, I'm mine. And it's back and forth. Back and forth to the baby, you know. And look how me feel, say, I want Father. Nah, be the Father. Father. No, tell me, you know. Because I feel like I'm a fool like that. I get jacket. I wash my face, yeah. Call her back. Call her back.
Yes, nephew. How are you doing? What you were calling me about?
Oh. And I worry, man. I just did a call to make sure say you're alright, how things are going over there with you. Yes. No, man. No, man. I don't know. Yeah, cause I just say me just did a check up. And she say you're good.
So how are you doing? How is the work and everything?
Yeah, man. Well, you know, say I lose the work, I just in the farm now. You understand?
You're on the farm work in Canada?
No, the farm work in my yard, yeah.
Oh, the farm work. Oh, I get you. I know the baby mother them.
Oh, you know, so I don't really get none yet.
But one day soon get one youth man, you know. But me no really I know youth, you know. But I don't know what go on. It's kind of puzzling.
You have to wait for the right person. Anyway, so you just call me and then know you change, you don't have nothing to tell me, say. You know, so I have a lot of things to do, you're wasting my time, boy.
Don't worry yourself, man. I just a call to bless you up. I hear? And that me did a call you for.
But if something to come up and you need to make it work, I don't want to know me and travel, you know, but you know, pull out your but you know, we need to go out one.
Alright, my big nephew, you take care of yourself and don't get yourself in any trouble now.
Alright, auntie, bless up yourself.
You too, my dear. Take care.
Alright.
But this boy can't have a thing to tell me. You must say I'm not easy, I'm so busy. Sure, I'm going to do what I have to do, yeah, man.
Nah, make she make me use me auntie, yeah, man. Fool she a take me for.
Alright, let's see how much back there I say now. Hungry, I lick me. See if we can go sell some. That's a 5. And if them go take this Smirnoff back, I don't know, you know. But nothing try, nothing done. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? 460. $460. Also, I have to go walk around the house and see if I find. No, back to want at least $500 to buy a piece of salt mackerel cook. Hey. Alright, this is a fat bomba. Can buy seasoning. That not bad. Alright. Yeah man, this must can work.
Oh, it's a hot place, yeah. Don't eat for me.
Falan, how you going now, mama? Me just left you in there for the listen music. I don't watch.
I'm going to check one of my baby father.
You go check on your
My baby father. Mistake me make, I slip my mouth slip.
You might not sleep nothing in a Falan. I time you left off of the road, you know, not to say you so drop.
You look like road leave me alone. Me soon drop our belly.
The road no leave you, but you can leave the road.
You did look like road avoid me.
Falan,
where you come?
Your foot them are gonna swell up, you know?
They already said I was still a continue my journey. Where you come from with buckle?
No worry yourself about that. Me I go wash them off and go sell them. Me want go
wash you have already to wash off all them tree when me see you with a while like I when I tell back I go dig them up.
Then no you dash them round there.
That was when I was drinking, not now.
Well, me have to dig them up because no want the money if you go buy a mackerel.
Just left to a floor for me, you know so me eat it.
The best thing you go do is sit down in this and keep your back.
Me no want to sit down one place. Pin this a move up and down and me so I'm fi stay one place. When with the buckle them, yeah, buckle police. Me check my baby father and come back. Me say me baby father, not me baby, not two baby father. Me stay me. I sleep my mouth sleep. So I slide.
And I sleep. You know you want me to know one. I hope you give the baby to the right.
It's going to get this right, daddy. If it don't matter if move one better than two better than one.
Boy, you Falan. Me sure no say you don't know how for picnic that you have, you know. My goodness. Anyways, enough for my business. I wash me back with them. That one I dirty do, you know. Deep down in the toilet back. Fall and dash this something them. One by one. I wonder if no soap there on this one. I don't drink water on my own business. You can't go on a road. Stop.
I'm going to go for your business. You chat too much. Mind my business too much. You're lucky. I'm in a V8. Some dirty chairs I am. At least I want to make sure the same have money to give me now. Money me a defend. I don't want no food, I don't want no to eat, I don't want to stay long. Hello! Chappy! Chappy! You must there. See your slippers there. You sit down bright just and wait. He must go. If he not in there, if he in there, have to open the door. And if he not in there, he have to come here. Open the door, I know see you in there. Hello, I know see you in there. Open the door and come out. You have a much woman and not even know which one I come look for you. Hello. Open up, the worst one is here. Open the door, I know say you in there and go like see you not hear me and call you, you know. It's alright. Alright, that's me I stay and wait. Open the door, because I know see you in there.
See about them pan like a police. A police?
Excuse me. Move, I know say you in there, you know. I want you there.
Me alone there. Me alone.
There. They may get a guy in the pot.
So far, me ask you to serve the place now.
You're lucky.
Come out of my fridge.
Let me see a wine there. All the drinks are there when I leave it.
Ah, I'm not leave it.
See, I can't give me some Alaska.
No.
Okay, no man, me like you mean, so we look about Alaska.
I'm my Alaska now. No,
I
I'm my
said that's
Alaska.
what you could buy a big Alaska.
You know what kind of baby I have? You find out?
A twin. Two money more money me come for. Give me now. Me no want that. That can't buy Irish.
So, that
can't buy pumpkin.
So if you baby eat, me can't work.
You know if you eat, the baby need more nutrients more than you. Me no want that. Me no want that. Give me a race. And put me sometimes me feel for mango. That can't buy mango. No, me
Hold
see. Give me.
So when me can't work, you know, and week out.
You know,
So if you go get more money.
As a working money bring it come.
You know what you do? Find out how much kind of baby you have.
A twin.
So we can buy baby clothes and know what you buy.
Give me money, make me buy. Come now, why you come deal with me now, you know. Tell her that. You don't have nothing more in here.
No.
Me not give me.
Me not nothing more. What you look for? What you look for?
A spring water, you there a drink. Excuse
So wait, me not fishing goose. No, Father. Leave.
Give me a little.
No, leave.
Water.
What will you want? No, Father, no.
Give me a little water.
No.
Let me load out this here. Hey, let me go. I'm not send my pressure, you know. Let me go. Let me talk to you one more second. Come here.
Talk what I do.
Babes, let me tell you. I give you back $100. Come.
No, not money. Me work for you. Come.
No, come now.
No. Hold on. Go on. Take the water and go on.
You want
Take the
to
water
coloring?
and go on.
You want to look coloring?
Go on now.
Hey, me don't want no water. Take them.
No.
Take them. Move. Me don't want no water. Just water. You're bright. No.
I want to be too miserable, you know. You're too miserable, man. Go on now, man. And don't come back until me call you. Don't show up unannounced. When me have money, me call you and don't show up me unannounced.
I want to see what going in your phone. When I are busy, you know.
How much you have on How can go? I don't know. Are you feeling when you say you go check it?
Me can't walk the two way them, you know. Go the way, yeah.
So, which one of the man live that way?
You know, when you go, you will see. Come on.
Alright, come on.
That's me have a little company.
You see how far you have me I walk from? Take time walk, man, because you have a belly and you don't walk so fast. You don't know, so I'm tired.
I don't ill me, I come in a jackass, I come down hill, I see slow down.
Alright, belly, they pull you down the hill.
I hit a pull me down.
Where you gonna breathe fine at them at time, yeah?
All this little girl a while ago, boy, if me, somebody, if me saw a balloon.
So
Me ask her if she blow me up.
But it look like you swallow number 31.
So come pick 30.
So I'm not wrong or Falan.
Yeah, that me said to her come pick 31.
Where you divert
come,
go?
Coconut, yeah. Pick one of them coconut.
Falan, me can't catch you know. You have a belly, you try pick it.
Anything we are road off in the road, pick it coconut.
No, me can't catch that Falan.
Bend down, me turn up on your
Turn
back.
up on for back, me and your friend, you know, but look here, an extra load that you dey walk with. You bright
That's
and
cool,
fierce.
and come be
Hey,
leather.
just leave me alone, you know,
Coconut.
Falan. Me will change, me mind and follow you go nowhere, you know.
You see, I just show me due date, then near me tell her to follow me, you know. You hear? I don't know my head water broke on the road and I don't nobody to take care of me or don't somebody to look out for me. You hear?
Me look like a leather to you. And me glad me they follow you because you see any day that the head water they broke and me first they see who the picnic.
And you me want to pop on.
Talking this and talking that. You not call the boy. And
No,
make
me
him know
not
say
call
you
him, I
come.
pop up on him unknown. So you can't even pick one coconut to wash off the baby heart.
You know easy at all, go make your man pick it.
Come on, you can pick one coconut.
And that you
Go
have
on
me
here
from.
already.
And that you have me from. Me already I follow me now bend down make you pick one for me.
Come on.
Jeez, MP, what a way you fling up upon me wicked last night.
Yeah, man.
Right, you know, you have to go start give me more than style you after, you know. Let me style anything you want, you get, you know. You know.
Well,
You don't know you are my baby, you know. And nothing can come between we, you know.
remember somebody want one wig, one 60-inch.
No, man, you right now, them my style where you give me. Me buy all one 80-inch.
Side.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm not see a piece of money for you, but that's what you want, like a surprise, you know? Yeah.
So when may I get it?
No, man, right now I have a lock in the house, man.
Alright.
Yeah, so you don't know. So when you go plan for shopping?
Well, me do you want to go shopping today or tomorrow? I'm not really sure.
So why you go buy? You can get all a chain to, you know, a nice chain set.
Yeah, more and that too.
Okay, so you don't know that alone you want?
Eyelash need some more enough things.
Worry yourself, man. I know say me have a piece of money lock, man. Anytime I'm ready, man, just say word, man.
Yeah, I want to get it right now because they are planning to do shopping today or tomorrow.
Alright. What I'm going to do now? I'm going to just go pay money now, yeah?
Alright. Money. After I deal with the boy last night, he have to give me money. Ear I go do, nails I go do, and I have money in my pockets. So her pan carry money come give me, yeah.
Okay.
How are this?
What you do, yeah?
What you mean when me a day in my man place?
Which man place? I'm my baby father, yeah, this.
What you mean your baby father? Like
Come, excuse yourself.
please, let's say last or something. Spin a roll and turn back. Spin your roll and turn back.
Spin which roll?
But how she had so?
No make me and you have things in this. Me a lick out to pick me out here.
Call it you.
No, you can't do my friend that. You can't do my friend
Come,
nothing.
call it you.
You can't do my friend no.
You want to warm me in my man here?
Excuse.
In my man here, don't want to warm
Falan
me.
call out the man and don't argue with this girl. Yeah.
Hello.
Argue with her. Watch her.
My baby father.
Are you stop your mouth and come step in here?
Me never come to you now here, man.
Anything where you think you come and forget me, I forget it.
Defend your money, my friend. Defend your
Let
money.
me tell you that.
Not care who you
Who
call,
is you
defend
come
your
from?
money.
Come here, sir.
Defend your money.
Hello. No. Not gonna say yes, sir.
Defend your money.
Who is
Where you
she?
get?
Thank you. Who is? Watch out. Who
No. This money is mine. What you expect?
Girl, give me money right now for me kick you in your gut.
Unless you left. Unless you left, yes, alright. Now she can't be enough. She can't kick you. She can't kick you.
Do she get something?
You need to go one side.
Anyway, you
too.
go get the money. You try to go back in there for more. Come give me.
And that him for do, make him cut the work on
You can't come mash up my life and your friend.
Your life no mash up.
So wait, my money that pay me
Yes,
that's my
nice.
money. My money I give Omar with big belly.
Maybe you want me to keep it
Cut it short.
Don't put it on
You want
your
it
You know,
to
so
be
we
friend.
got
Keep
to
it
tell us
here.
I'm a baby mother,
Don't
but
put it
you
on
know,
your
so I'm
breast.
pop up on.
Look, things that me care about it, Steve.
Keep my friend money as so. Keep it
Come out
here.
to my man house. My baby father at that.
Yes,
Man,
me
you can't
done,
come mash up
here,
my
me
life.
done.
No,
One
yeah,
and
go
come
ahead.
on.
Go on and break all your mouth. Go on.
This a come call him for me.
Me do your work for you.
This year your friend come call on for me. Excitement. Make me babes all
You never know
gone.
what's coming.
When you did see me down the road and stop me and ask me for my friend number, you never know, say I this it,
You
this
tell
gonna
me
come
something
down.
check here, man, where you expect.
Yeah, but me know say you da pop up on me like this. You don't know
And
say
unknowns.
me have woman
You
and
have
me
to
have
remember.
Right, now.
Where is the money the way you have?
Don't even know.
Anywhere where you go
Just,
get your money a while ago for come give the little girl.
Make him go and go get more, come give about him have a man, brother
that
of
money they have to
yourself.
buy some ear for my girlfriend.
Which bag shall wear for which girl? She should have wear a
want
dry
that
head go so
dry
she a
head.
go.
She go out with that dry, she not get no
I'm
party
trying to
here.
come back when I come back her up.
You just mash up my life, so.
Mash up which time I have to fix it.
Oh, Todd, I'm brag. Let me set my...
And where you gonna get the rest of money a while ago? Go back in there and get
Go
some
on in there,
more.
go get more.
Look if she gone.
Go look if she gone where.
No,
And she
man.
care about she more than me.
She have to go on for long because she afraid of it. She have to go on.
Come.
My life, so. Watch my
What
birthday
else?
gone, so, eh? You just money you want, so.
Yes, she
Stay within
stay.
case.
What you did I expect for happen with your son?
So when the youth born, what go
When
on,
did I
eh?
expect for happen?
Me no know.
Like they have some plan.
Him think a pram push thing
Where
this.
the crash?
Eh? Him think a pram push thing
I'm the
this.
crasher.
Defend your thing, yeah, me love.
Right.
Defend your thing.
Yeah, me I go for my girlfriend, you know.
Go
so.
for one which
The
girlfriend?
same time I baby born, none of my own. Right, I know you're gone left me. So
Don't make
wow.
say call him a job because you get the
No,
money
man.
already and him have to go give you
No,
more
man.
money.
Hold on,
So,
no. Hold on. I go show you
follow
something.
now, we
Show
go
us
beat
something.
up the idiot girl on the road. Anyhow, we go car.
Babes, I can't just walk outside.
Where me can't just walk
can't
out.
explain,
Let
man.
me go. Where me can't
Can't
just walk
explain,
out.
babes,
So.
man. You
Me
can't
no
walk
want
out,
to hear
man.
nothing. Me no want to hear nothing.
No, man, a simple thing, man. You know, baby mother thing come down already, you know.
Me no busy boy your baby mother. Me go in the house see money
Nah,
for
man,
me
watch
supposed
out.
to get it.
Don't
Me no
worry
understand
yourself,
how
man.
she have
We
it.
are whole heap of money down the yard, man.
No
Tomorrow me
business.
done. Tomorrow me
What
done.
which money I tell her she have in her yard?
Oh, I'm too
Break
long.
this band.
Just back up, give me a
Break
minute.
this
Back up,
band,
man.
cause we have a band here
Back
already.
up, go where we not back up, go nowhere.
No, man. You
And
have
she
to
fi
give me
back
a
up.
second. You
Go
just
second.
you just
See the
take
road
from
again
no
and
man.
left.
No,
Deal
man.
with him, deal with him,
You
me
just-
deal with she,
No,
and that's
man,
what deal with him.
when time your baby born and you left me gone, who me talk to?
Listen,
Yeah.
me now left go nowhere. We will raise this
Me no
child.
inna this. No, me no inna this. Me no inna
Babes, you know
this.
what?
Me not inna this
Pasa.
Babes, let me
either.
tell you what.
Come on,
Give me
yeah.
a minute. Babes, here what?
She not
Make she
know
go
what
on,
to
make
say.
she go
Tomorrow,
on.
tomorrow you just come check me. Yeah.
No, you
Me
can't
me
say that.
Can't bother with the
She can't turn
argument.
up
Yeah.
the
Me
No,
no come
this is
back.
Can't bother with
Me
the
no
argument.
come back.
My girl, go on.
Nobody look for me and come back, you know. Cause me and no girl not share no
Call
man.
girl, my girl better go on, you know, cause war we start right as
Make it
that
start.
me a tell you,
Yes,
no.
go on,
Make it
me know.
start.
Me a tell you.
Make it
That's
start.
why me care about
That me a
it.
tell you. Easy yourself,
Watch
though.
out,
Easy
you see,
yourself, my girl better you go
Go
on.
move from here.
My girl
Hey,
better.
watch it
I know that.
Can't let me. Police will lock you up.
Hey, me
Police
blood one of them
will
lock
lock
you
you
for
up.
them. I want to
Police
know.
will lock you up. You know better if you not touch me.
Now come back. Me say me
I want
not
to
come
know.
back.
You know better if you can't touch me.
Idiot.
Idiot.
Give me friend on my
I
friend.
want
She
to
goes
mash up
down.
man life, eh?
Go on like son of bad. She
Yo,
shouldn't
see
run
you.
Mess up your life.
Pull her up like
Matter of fact, me not in this today. Me not in this today. Come on, yeah.
You see what go
me
go
get
on
the
now?
money
You see what go
already.
go on?
Come on.
Me go go on my yard, you know. I hear you know. Me no want none of you follow.
You
me.
can't go on
Anyway,
away.
you follow your fee money when
Right
time
back
friend
at you.
don't get
Me know if you find you have a radar.
And then I walk this
You're
money
there
they
on
take
me
up.
radar.
Make sure see I know them pretty ear there and them nails.
I
you
hit
spend it
same
out
thing
on
me
them.
go do.
Make sure say you get it, you know.
Follow
The
and don't
baby
make me
here
call
want
them
it too.
Don't make me
No
The
call
baby
worry
need
them
yourself.
cool. The baby need oil and the baby need
I will
lotion.
give it to you. I will give it to you, but make sure.
Follow and he
Me
can't
me
tell
a
you
go
what
on
to
my
do with the
yard.
money. He
Me a
can't
go on
tell
my
you
yard, you
what
know.
to do
But
with the money.
make sure. You see when me give you the money,
Give me
you
it, let me
spend
deal
every
with
dollar
it.
upon the pitney. You hear me I tell you?
Look on him
Yeah,
too.
you're a friend.
Go away. You
I
tell
see
about
you
them
want
work
take
with
the
money.
money.
Me no know me end up with
What
you.
about your business? Never see him
Money
make your
talk,
dollar.
money
All
talk.
him
Give
do
me
is
money
get up
all the
and chat.
time.
Like him go
That
and
is
follow
your
me.
business.
You tell
You
about
have to
them
give me
work
money,
with
you know.
man there. You see
When
every
me
dollar
come back,
I
me
have
a carry
take
you.
away.
Okay, so me carry you, me have good luck to get off the money
Because
and
juke off
fine.
your face if you don't give you money next time.
Next time I want tea and pee, I want to show me lick in
Dry
the
foot,
side.
girl.
Once one come and smell money, me can smell money, you know.
Me know you have that strong nose, yeah. My friend. And that's why me like walk with you. Never broke.
Anywhere there.
Never broke. Come on.
Fine. I have to fuck that pan and road, she a get.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers. Come to the end of the movie. I hope you guys all enjoy it. You don't know what I work put out, you understand? Yeah, man. And if you're not subscribed, please do it now for further upload, you understand? I be things are going, man. So just go on the right thing, you understand? Blessing. Yeah.